I've been neglecting my skin as of late, and I started seeing some notable differences in my skin texture and even in my pores. I started to develop blackheads and whiteheads, especially around the nose. I had to take a stand, as it's 2018 nonetheless. I hopped into the body shop just after New Year's to snag a great deal and left with several products, one of them being the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Face Mask. I initially wanted to buy one of those cool peel-off masks from Amazon, but I was advised against it by a sales associate. I got home and eagerly tried this mask, and this was my first impression. This mask smells great, almost like heaven, thanks in part to the tea tree oil used in this product. It was just pleasant. What the Body Shop doesn't tell you is that this mask also exfoliates, so be gentle while rubbing it into the skin. This mask dries really fast. It feels super stiff on the face though, and that's to be expected. After washing the mask off, my skin felt super soft, and I immediately noticed an improvement in the texture of my skin. I don't know if this is a placebo effect, but my face felt really great. My forehead, on the other hand, was extremely dry. It was almost snake-like. I haven't experienced any dryness issues since. The one major gripe I had with this product was its price, but I've since noticed that a little goes a long way. This product costs a whopping 28 Canadian dollars, but considering it's an all-natural product with ethically sourced ingredients, I don't mind the vegan tax. Should you give this a try? I say yes. Some Body Shop locations do offer free walk-in skincare consultations to help you find the best product for your skin, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'm Terrain. Subscribe.